the last 2 years, we are number one in Malaysia. Within 6 months, all our graduates employed.
This is amazing. What are your expectations from partners?
So for us, it's important to have international partners, international allies that help us to develop this international perspective for our students.
What are your expectations from HSE as a very new partner?
We found that a joint project on fake news will be very useful for both parties, for both countries. Political science, for example, and international relations, two universities from different parts of the world works together in a United Nations project.
What would you like to give a message?
I encourage you to take advantage of the opportunities that HSE give you.
Work in Indonesia as a part of HSE Saint Petersburg is really challenging for me.
So how are you managing that? Please tell us more about your work.
I told them HSE is good university. HSE is a best university. If you want to have a professor who have a high quality, you can contact us.
Where do you think what the 21st century universities should do? What is the key factors?
We need to embed it in their mind that talent should be the result is beneficial to the human being. The world will be a very beautiful,
Great place to live.
great place to live.